Okay, you got me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so while that wasn't such a great idea, it did give me another idea. And I noticed that I had to pick the engine up while it was on the ground, and it wasn't as heavy as I kind of expected. So I'm just going to use these devices right here as levers. Okay, I really do need some help on this one, but the intent here is to show how you can do something without help. Whew. Let's get this out the way. Okay. Now I'm going to lift. I don't know if I'm going to do it, but the theory is I'm going to see if I can lift this guy up onto here. I think I can. Well, you got this on video?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, see, it's hard because I can't do two things at once. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think I could do this. So, I've got the right muffler underneath that. Oh, there we go. So this isn't really good because I shouldn't be under the muffler. I want to be under the pipes. I want to be under the muffler itself. That's good. That's good. There we go. Whew. All right. I might be a lot closer than I thought. Okay. So now I'm gonna lift it up and see if I can get it inside here. All right. Oh, this looks promising. Oh, this is not promising. All right. So, lesson learned. Get things out of the way ahead of time. Hole. Almost there. Okay. Who is the man? All right, let's see if it worked. Boy, I went through much more of a hassle creating my levers and all that stuff when I didn't need to. Let's see what it looks like. Lift this up. Pull this out of the way. And watch my engine roll down the driveway. Wow, there we go. That was the answer. If you saw this one before you saw my first mess up, I'll post that mess up in a bit. But let me kind of go through one more time what I did. I needed to do a step lift. Obviously I couldn't lift it up enough, so what I did was I found some object that was half the height of what I needed it to be. This was lucky enough that it was that height of the lift, of the stand. So I tilted the engine up, leaned it on the first object. Then when it was tilted that way, I tilted it up to lean on the second object. Then I went back the other side and lifted that up to get on the engine stand. It's just a step approach. And I'm sure my back is going to hurt a little bit, but not as bad as it could have. And I think the engine isn't broken. But we'll see.